This evening, transport chaos. JUTC drivers withdraw service after reprisal killing of a colleague. Government tables revised spending figures for the fiscal year. And Met Service pushing to implement a lightning detection and monitoring system.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, we have the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has the preview.
Thanks, Andrea. Well, the JUTC may soon be operating electric buses as part of its fleet. It's part of a new policy under the Science and Technology Ministry. I'll have details on that and much more in the business day.
And from business, we go to sports. Spencer Darlington, what's happening?
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, the anti-doping disciplinary hearing for young sprinter Brianna Williams concluded today. Her team wants the ruling to be made in short order. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you, Spencer. We also have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, describe your trip today on a public passenger vehicle in the corporate area.
I'm looking forward to that. You may share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.